welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very important video for all the women out there, because during this lockdown period it is so important to maintain yourself, especially when your parlors and your urban clap, all this is shut down. Definitely we have problems of maintaining our eyebrows or facial or waxing, all these things. So I'm gonna give you few hacks or few tips to maintain. These are few tips of mine. If you like this video, please do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's get started. So few hacks for your eyebrows. First of all, you need to cut the extras of your eyebrows. So I would suggest you, just by cutting your eyebrows, if your eyebrows are looking fine, just leave it, because don't go to do the changes of the shape of the eyebrows, because later when you all go to the parlor it becomes difficult, or when you spoil your shape of your eyebrows, then it's very difficult to get back that shape. So I wouldn't suggest you all to shape your eyebrows, but maybe the extras you all can cut it off. For that you all would need a small brush like this. I've taken a small eyebrow brush which is in my eyebrow pencil itself, but if you all don't have this, just take a normal comb. The just smaller part of the comb would work. Just comb it above first completely, and then like this. So the starting, what you all see standing long, is the one you have to cut. So then you will see the long ones there. You just have to keep the scissors on that line of the eyebrows and just go ahead. Whatever the hair comes into your scissor, just cut it off. So see, I'll show you all again. Just go with the line of your eyebrows, and there's few hair which is caught in my scissors. So if this works fine for y'all, just leave it. Do not go to shape it more. But if y'all, some of y'all want more, next option would be the plucker. So I have my plucker here. So you just have to remove all the extras. So just don't go to disturb the shape of your eyebrows. So before you, when you use the plucker, just before that, add some powder, talcum powder, so that the extras are clearly seen to you, so you can easily go ahead and pluck it out. So without the talcum, you wouldn't know the difference between the extras and the ones which belong to your eyebrows. Third one is, always use a eyebrow pencil, which works really best, because every morning as I get ready, I just work on my eyebrows with my pencil. So that gives you all a bit of shape. So just like that, and then see, I have not done my eyebrows. Putting on some eyebrow pencil does give you all some shape. So if you all can see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow, there's a lot of difference, because I've put eyebrow pencil here and not here. So that gives you all a little better feeling of your shape of the eyebrows. Yeah, the next would be for your upper for your forehead and the extras is your cellophane tape. So I have few cellophane tapes cut already. So just stick it close to your eyebrow, or any place you think there's too much of extras, just pull it off, and you can see there's so many minute hair coming out of this. I will show you all again. Just you can stick it right above your eyebrows. Just give a slight pressure over it and pull it the reverse style. If your hair is growing this way, just pull it towards opposite. So I don't know if you all can make out this. So many extra hair that is come out. So you can go ahead and do even your upper lips with this. So if you still want to go ahead and shape your eyebrows, the last option is this, the razors. Definitely everyone would have a razor at home, but I wouldn't suggest this option because I will always say don't spoil your shape of your eyebrows because it's difficult to regain the shape. But still, if you want to shape it, I would give you this suggestion. There will be razors. If you kind of open the part of the razor, so there are actually three blades in this. You can actually remove this. So I've already removed it. The upper part, if you remove, and the plastic of this, there are the three blades. So the blade will look something like this. So with this, I would tell you all, please be very careful and don't go to do too much. Just a little bit. All the extras you all can remove this way. See, just slightly run it. You don't have to go hard on it. Just keep it over your skin and just go slightly towards your eyebrows. I would suggest you all to draw your eyebrows with your eyebrow pencil, the shape you all wanted, and then if you all use this, it is much better. So for the lower eyebrows, just pull your eyebrows like that and it's more clear. Just keep it on the eyebrows where you all want to take it out. So my next tip would be, definitely without waxing it's so difficult, or I consider is to be a part of hygiene process. So during this lockdown period, definitely we can't do anything about waxing because even if I know to do waxing, I can't do it because I do not have wax and the shops are closed and all that. So definitely everyone would have a razor and we can actually use the razor for this period only, because again I do not suggest to use razor regularly because the hair that grows will become so hard. So waxing is the best option, but during the lockdown period we have no option. So I am coming back to the razor option. But one step would be with the conditioner. You can use any hair conditioner. I am using this Wow hair conditioner. Just take a little bit, apply it at any place. You can do this in your underarms also, your legs, hands, and just shave it off. This way your hair that regrows would be softer.
Next, we would make a face pack for an alternative for facial. So I'm taking some green gram in a jar, mixie jar, and first grind the green gram to a smooth powder. So it has to be like this. So when you are using fresh green grams, I mean the dried green grams, it won't be too smooth also, but it is good. Then you can add one tomato and grind it again. So it has to be like this. This consistency is the right way. And then you need to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. You can go ahead and add more also if you all want. It just has to become a smooth paste. Honey is very important part of this face pack, and just mix it.
So just apply this paste on your face and definitely this gives a very good result. This also, you can also use this as a scrub because the particles of the green gram will definitely help you in scrubbing your face. So just rub it over your face for a few minutes, and then later you can use this as the pack. Just leave it on your face till it dries. You can easily make out that it is dried. These three ingredients actually gives a very good effect because it gives good moisture for your face, good glow, removes your tan, You can always add extra ingredients with this. If you all want to use turmeric, you can add turmeric, or you can add some lemon juice, which is also very good to remove tan. And you can add some multani mitti. So this three is the base actually. So with this you can actually use any other ingredients. So now I am done with the scrubbing, so I'm just using it as a pack. So a little thicker pack I'm doing. So I just washed my face. It's been 15 minutes, and can you all make out the difference? With the wet face, I will first show you all. Can you all make out the difference? How bright it is, and all the blemishes and the tan is completely gone. So this is how it looks. Can you all believe this? So this is the pack I've been using since years and years now. So definitely do try, and do let me know how it worked for y'all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and do subscribe to my channel. And definitely some of y'all had asked me how to subscribe the channel. Yes, it's simple. When you are watching the video, to the right corner of the video you will find subscribe. Just press that button, subscribe, and just next to the subscribe there will be a bell icon. Just you need to press the bell icon just to get the all my video notifications. And yes, this, by subscribing to my video, y'all are not gonna be charged anything. So but it is very important for me. So only when y'all subscribe, I would be doing more and more videos like these and keep y'all entertained all the time. Thank you so much, and do share this video to people whom you think would need this at this time of the year. The lockdown is being so difficult for everyone, but just hope for the best and stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.